In this tutorial, we will get an explanation of the various activities and resources that you are able to add in your course when you're editing a stand-on. And to be able to do that, we'll have to click on the Turn Editing On function or tool. As I explained in another tutorial, when your editing is turned on, the edit functions of the course will become active, as you can see. And usually when your edit functions are active, you will see them in this form. You will see the word edit against titles, against sections. So you're able to edit a title, as you can see that pencil against the title, or you will see the word edit against a section. And it's the same for all titles and all sections. When your editing is turned on, you should be able to see the edit function for different sections. You click on the drop-down list, you'll see edit settings for different sections, so you should be able to manage that. Or if it is titles that you want to edit, you go to the title and you will hit that pencil icon and you'll be able to add there and save what you have added or edited in your title. But in the same vein, you're able to move the different titles. For example, if I wanted to move this title course announcement to the top, I'll click on this four-sided arrow to move this resource. As you see, it will be saying move resource. So I'll move it up to where I want to place it. If I wanted to place it at the top, here I'll move it here and I'll be able to place it where I move it. Maybe I want to move it below the course discussion forum, I should place it there. Or if I want to move it back this way, I'll move it and place it. So this four-sided arrow helps you to move the resource from one place to another, but you can only do that when your editing is turned on the other side, so that the edit functions of your course are active. But in this particular tutorial, we just wanted to explore your ability to add activities or add resources to the different sections. Now, if you notice, add an activity or resource is available under each section of your course. Each section, module 2, I have add an activity or resource. For the section module 3 here, I also have add an activity or resource. So it appears under each section so that you can add an activity or add a resource to a particular section where you want that activity or resource added. Now, what are activities or resources? These are tools that you use in your course. Now, to be able to see them, we will have to click here, add an activity or resource. Now, this particular tutorial is just to explore what they are, just to get an understanding of what activities or resources are. So as you can see here, a number of activities are listed that you are able to add. For example, you can add an assignment here, and when you click on the activity that you want to add, it will give you a description of that activity. For example, assignments enable teachers to communicate tasks or collect work and provide grades and feedback. The other activity is a chat. A chat activity module enables participants to have text-based, real-time, synchronous discussions. The choice activity here enables the teacher to ask a single question and offer a selection of possible responses for the students, which can be published to the students. Maybe you want to take a quick poll to stimulate thinking about a topic, so you use that activity called choice. The database activity enables participants to create, maintain, and search a collection of entries, or records. Probably in your course, you can have entries and records there. You can set up a database tool. We have the external tool. We have feedback, which is used to conduct or to create custom surveys for collecting feedback from participants, on different issues, probably concerning your course. The forum activity enables participants to have asynchronous discussions that take place over an extended period of time. It could be discussions on topics within your course. The glossary enables participants to create and maintain a list of definitions, maybe new words, key terms within your course. You can set up a glossary as a teacher to enable students to create a list of definitions that are important to them within their course. Then we have a lesson. The lesson activity is another way of delivering content or practice activities in very flexible ways within your course. And the quiz enables teachers to create quizzes comprising questions of various types: multiple choice, short answer, yes or no, false or true, matching, numerical, that students can complete very many times to help them understand the content of the course a little better than before. So you can always use a quiz to do that. Even you can use quizzes as course exams or as mini tests for that matter, maybe practice questions. You can also use it for self-assessment to enable students to assess themselves or to deliver immediate feedback about their performance as it immediately grades them. We can do surveys. There's an activity called the survey. A number of verified survey instruments are available in Moodle to help you with that. There's also an activity called the Wiki, which provides participants with the ability to add or edit a collection of web pages. Normally, when your students are involved in project work, you can use wikis to help them collaborate on those projects. They are able to edit individually, and everybody is able to see what the others has done. And at the end of the day, they are able to produce a collaborative project and share with the teacher. We have another activity called the workshop, which enables the collection, review, and peer assessment of students' work. You can set up a workshop and students can, peer assess each other's work, and submit it online for the others to be able to see. So that is under the activities that are available for you to add in your course. And as you can see, when you click on a different activity, you're able to see the description. So you can decide whether it's appropriate for use in your course or not. And under the resources here, we have a number of resources. There's a resource called the book, which enables the teacher to create a multi-page resource. It's also one way of adding content within your course, but in a book-like format. And you can upload files, different files to your course of different types: PDF, Word files, HTML pages. You're able to add, and you can create folders and add specific files to different folders. Then we also have a page, a resource called a page. You can create content in form of pages. And your page can display text, images, sound, video, web links, etc. And you can also add URLs or links of useful resources that you have found online. You can add them to your courses so that students can be able to see what is available elsewhere. So this is what is available under the add an activity or resource. When you're editing a standalone, those are the different activities or resources that you're able to add into your course for your students to be able to see. So in another tutorial, we will be able to explore each one of the different activities and resources, and now you can add them into your courses.